Now we show you how to install Epson app. First, we turn on the power of the printer. Take out the slot. And the film have two sides. You can see one is clear and one is matte. Offset. Now we show you how to install TUOLI app. First, we open a web browser to scan TUOLI app. Now it's in the download process. Open. We choose install. Your mobile phone PIN number. Now it's in install process. Done. Open. Now we open TUOLI app. Now we go to register. First, we choose a name. We fill the information. We put our email. Next, we will receive the verified code from the email. You can see. Now we put our tail number. We choose country. We will get the verified code from this tail number. Now our account is registered successful. You can see our personal account information here. Show you how to connect the Epson printer with Wi-Fi. Now we connect the Wi-Fi and put the Wi-Fi password. you can see the Wi-Fi connect the printer, it will show the light on. Now we successfully connect. We can try to print a picture. Now we show you how to use TUOLI app. First, we need to confirm the machine power is on, and also the printer is power on. Open the TUOLI app. We add machine to the app. It means it's in connecting. It shows connect successful. Then we return back. We add the printer to our app. It shows connect successful. Now we can print any photo on any model, any phone. For example, we show you how to. We choose iPhone 6. Have single model and the bubble case. We upload a picture from our mobile phone or in our app. Now we choose one photo from our app. You can adjust the size. The size should be exactly in the square. Then we print. You shall ready to print. Okay. The printer is printing the picture now. Now the picture print out. Hello friends, welcome to TUOLI World. Today we'll show you how to make a DIY phone case. Any picture, any phone case, any model. For make this kind of case, what do you need? You need a printer. You need a printing film. You need a TUOLI sublimation machine. Also we need a mold, and we also need a blank case. For all these items, you can make any case that you like. Now we show you how to use TUOLI sublimation machine. When you turn on the power, we check the machine factory setting. You can see the first one is temperature 120. The second one is pressure, is -50. The third one is time, is 300 seconds. How we know it's correct or not? We can press set to check one by one. First one temperature 120. The second one pressure -50. The third one is 300. It means it's correct. Now we are waiting for the temperature arriving. This process will take 3 or 4 minutes. When the temperature arrives 120, then you can begin to use this machine. When the printer print out, you can see we print on the matte side. Here is clear side, here is matte side. The picture is printed on the matte side. You can see it will show the model is iPhone 16 Pro and its bubble case. When the picture print out is still not dry, we need to put on the top of the cover to heat 1 minute. How do we know the picture is dry or not? When time arriving, you can use your snail to press on the corner. If the ink can move, this means you need to dry a little longer time. If it cannot move, it means it's dry enough. We can begin to make the case now. When the picture is dry, we will move. It's not move. It means this picture is dry. Now we preheat the mode. We open the cover, and this iPhone 16 Pro mode. We can put it like this to preheat. It will be more fast. Preheat like 20 seconds. Now we can put the mode upside down and put the bubble case. We can use a tissue clean and close the cover. Preheat 20 seconds. Now we show you how to put the film inside. This process is very, very important. We open the cover and the film we put upside down like this. We should from one corner, one side to other sides. This process should do very fast. First, you can see we do on the corner, we go to down, then close and close. Press the left cover on the right side start button 3 seconds. It's working now. You can see the cover cannot move. If the cover can move, it means the film you put inside is not correct. You can see me, I cannot press the cover up. And also we can hear the working sound. It's do vacuum now. When you hear the alarm, it shows the process is finished. We open the cover and take out the case. It's very clear. This is iPhone 16 Pro.